Today I am Google Pixel Watch 3 45mm. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is one of the most impressive smartwatches of 2024, offering a perfect blend of design, functionality, and advanced health tracking. With its elegant matte hazel aluminum case and comfortable hazel band, it's designed not just to perform well, but to look great on your wrist throughout the day. The large 45mm OLED display is a standout feature. It's both brighter and bigger than previous models, offering a viewing experience that is sharp, vibrant, and easy to read even in bright daylight. This smartwatch is not just about looks. It integrates deeply with Google's ecosystem while delivering powerful fitness features powered by Fitbit. For anyone serious about health and performance, the advanced running features are particularly exciting. You can build custom workouts and receive real-time guidance during your runs, with detailed form tracking to improve performance. Google AI takes this a step further by offering personalized running recommendations based on your goals, past performance, and readiness for the day, helping you optimize every session. One of the most useful health tools is the readiness score. By combining data such as sleep, resting heart rate, and heart rate variability, the watch helps you determine whether your body is ready for an intense workout or whether you should focus on recovery. Alongside this, cardio load tracking allows you to see how hard your heart is working and whether you are undertraining or overtraining, giving you a truly data-driven fitness approach. The Pixel Watch 3 is also an everyday smartwatch powerhouse. It supports contactless payments, email alerts, voice control, and integration with Google Assistant, making it incredibly convenient for busy lifestyles. Sleep monitoring is more advanced than ever, helping you track your nightly rest and overall wellness. It also has stress tracking, calorie tracking, and ECG monitoring, so it's a full health management system right on your wrist. Battery life delivers up to 24 hours with typical use, and charging is fast, so you can quickly get back to tracking your day. The watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, so it's ready for workouts in rain or shine, and even swimming sessions. For connectivity, it works seamlessly with Android devices, especially Google Pixel phones, using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for smooth operation. The build quality of the Pixel Watch 3 is premium, with a durable aluminum case and comfortable silicone band designed for extended wear. It's lightweight, weighing just over 8 ounces, so it's easy to forget you're wearing it, but the moment you need its features, it responds quickly. Notifications, fitness data, music controls, and navigation are all easy to access and operate thanks to the responsive touchscreen and intuitive interface. What truly sets the Pixel Watch 3 apart is how it combines fitness tracking, smartwatch convenience, and integration into the Google ecosystem. If you are an Android user who wants both style and substance, this watch offers a compelling balance. It's ideal for fitness enthusiasts, everyday users, and anyone who appreciates having advanced health tools and smart connectivity right at their fingertips. For those who value performance, comfort, and smart features, the Google Pixel Watch 3 offers a highly capable wearable that goes beyond timekeeping. It's a smartwatch designed not just to track your activity, but to actively help improve your lifestyle through insightful metrics, powerful fitness tools, and a smooth user experience. The Pixel Watch 3 truly feels like the future of wearable technology, merging style, innovation, and functionality into a single device that fits seamlessly into your life. Whether you're running, working, or simply going about your day, it offers a level of convenience and insight that makes it an outstanding choice in the smartwatch market today.